Hello, cosmic explorers. Welcome to the channel where curiosity is bigger than the universe. Today, you are going to witness an astonishing discovery made by the James Webb Space Telescope. Something so mysterious, it even made NASA scientists raise an eyebrow. But before we embark on this deep space journey, make sure to like this video, because it really helps the channel reach more astronomy lovers like you. Subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any revelations about the universe, extraterrestrial life, black holes, and everything else that makes us look up at the sky and say, and of course, leave a comment below telling us what you think might be hidden from the public. Could the truth really be out there? Now, get ready, because what you're about to see may change the way you view the universe and other partner agencies with incredibly valuable data about the biggest mysteries of the universe. Since its launch into space on December 25, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope has been providing scientists at NASA, ESA. While it brings answers, Webb has also generated new questions and curiosities. This time, a discovery made by the telescope has left many people stunned. Let's break it down. The James Webb Space Telescope, affectionately called JWTE, or even Jaime in Brazil, is one of the most technologically advanced instruments ever launched into space. It was designed to study every phase of the universe's history, from the first light after the Big Bang to the formation of solar systems capable of supporting life. And it wouldn't be the first time something like that has been suggested. But Webb has also turned its gaze toward our own backyard. The solar system, but a class of astronomical objects that orbit the sun and are usually found between Jupiter and Neptune. Recently, a group of scientists working with the James Webb detected an unexpected activity, outgassing from a mysterious object located between Jupiter and Neptune. This discovery triggered several alerts among researchers. After all, it wasn't a comet or an asteroid. This raised suspicions that the object could have a completely different origin. There were even admittedly distorted rumors that the telescope had captured images of an alien spacecraft. The object in question was a centaur, not the mythological half-human, half-horse creature. These celestial bodies originate from farther regions of the solar system and, like teenagers seeking adventure, they often migrate to orbits closer to the sun, typically due to gravitational influences from giant planets. One of the most mysterious centaurs is 29P. It's known for its regular outbursts, every few weeks, making it one of the most active objects in the solar system. Thanks to its incredible resolution, the James Webb was able to detect previously unknown gas jets on 29P for the first time. Jets of carbon dioxide were observed, in addition to the already known carbon monoxide jets. These observations opened up a new range of possibilities for scientists. Near-infrared spectral analysis showed that these jets originate from different regions of the centaur's core, suggesting a heterogeneous internal composition. There are signs that the core may have been formed from the fusion of two distinct objects. This hypothesis challenges traditional models of celestial body formation in the Kuiper Belt. And unlike comets, which have jets powered by the sublimation of water ice, centaurs are too cold for that, meaning their outgassing is driven by something else. The research team has already expressed interest in conducting long-term observations of 29P, since a single snapshot isn't enough to fully understand its complex activity. Another curious image captured by Webb has also drawn attention, a question mark in space. It was spotted in a region full of distant galaxies. This image made headlines in 2023 when James Webb photographed the galaxy cluster MAX J0417.5-1154, which we'll simply call MAX 1154 here. The Webb image clearly shows a sign resembling a question mark in the sky. Comparing the Webb image to a previous one taken by Hubble, the difference in quality is striking. Of course, this is a case of pareidolia, the human tendency to see familiar shapes and random patterns. If we could view that formation in 3 dimensions, we'd realize it's not literally a question mark. The MAX 1154 cluster is so massive that it's warping the fabric of space. This creates a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, which can magnify and duplicate the image of galaxies behind it. That's exactly what happened. Two interacting distant galaxies, one spiral-shaped and the other red and dusty, appear multiple times in the image, forming the symbol. Interestingly, this image was captured by accident. Astronomers were observing two forming stars, Herbigaro, 46 and 47, when the question mark was spotted in the background. Another rumor that flooded the internet claimed that James Webb had detected a city-sized structure heading toward Earth. Some said it was the asteroid, which will pass near our planet in 2029. Others suggested it was something like the interstellar object Oumuamua, observed in 2017. But which city? New York, or a small town of 200,000 people? Details like that make a big difference in the analysis. And of course, theories emerged about an alleged alien ship disguised as an asteroid. Theorists claimed the object had a structure similar to that of a city. The truth is, NASA, ESA, and other agencies have global programs dedicated to detecting near-Earth objects. These programs use telescopes around the world to track potential threats like asteroids, and who knows, spacecraft. Officially, none of the objects currently being tracked pose a collision risk. But, as we all know, some information could be kept from the public. So, are we being told everything? Are the released data truly complete? Or could part of the truth be hidden for political or strategic reasons? To use James Webb, scientists must submit proposals and schedule their observations well in advance. Each team only has access to the data from the specific observation they requested. That is why it is hard for information to leak before it is officially published in peer-reviewed journals like Nature or released on space agency websites. And you? What do you think James Webb will reveal next? Will we be ready to face the truth? If it turns out to be more than we ever imagined, leave your thoughts in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next chapters of this amazing journey through the universe. See you in the next video. Until then,